So there's a few reasons why days like today are so important. It's reconnecting with nature. So we've seen the vegetables literally being sown, drilled into the ground. We're seeing them growing and we've seen them being removed from the ground and packed as well. So it's a proper link back to source. So understanding what waste not is, what it does for regenerative farming, what it does for the farmer, what it does for us, the nutritional benefits. One of my favourite things with waste not is what it does for communities. So it's charitable foundations, it's communities at work, but it's also us as a cohort tonight and today creating this little waste not community of which friendships are grown. It's not just about the vegetables, it's about the people. So it's just bringing people together.
BaxterStorey and Waste Not have been working together for about 3 years now, and it's opportunities like today that's really culminating how we do things and why we do things. So today's been about that connection between chefs and growers and nature. Part of doing what we do is the understanding behind everything that we do in terms of supporting UK agriculture, communities. Yes, we're fighting food waste, but also helping with regenerative agriculture movements. We've done a farm tour with Dan and Rob from Very Fast, and paddleboarding, which there were some divers that got a bit soggy, but it was really, really fun. Everyone had a really good time, and it was that sort of special time where you can't help but just have some peace.
It's just a nice break from the routine to do something together, something new, something interesting, something fun. We're doing more and more within BaxterStorey, having fun together.
And now we're here at the glamping site, which means that there's lots of food underway, being cooked over fire, and it should be a good evening.
Today has been about reconnecting with nature, as I said, but it's also been about reacclimatising with seasonal food. So what is in season? What is going to go into those boxes? What should be arriving? What about British produce? So I think, what can they take back? They can take back the curiosity about the joy of raw ingredient and adding some magic to that at base and taking that forward.